Hell, dear students, myself Dr. Balaji Lahorkar. Today we are going to learn the relationship between educational objectives, learning experiences, content, and evaluation is integral to effective teaching and learning processes. So let us start. The relationship between educational objectives, learning experiences, content, and evaluation is integral to effective teaching and learning processes. These components are interrelated and work together to ensure that educational goals are met. Educational objectives are the goals that define what students should know, understand, and be able to do by the end of a course or program. These objectives provide a clear direction for both teaching and learning. Educational objectives are the goals that define what students should know, understand, and be able to do by the end of a course or program. These objectives provide a clear direction for both teaching and learning. They are typically framed in terms of knowledge, skills, and attitudes. Learning experiences are the activities and interactions that students engage in to achieve the educational objectives. These can include lectures, discussions, hands-on activities, group work, projects, and other instructional strategies. The design of learning experiences should align with the objectives to ensure that students are provided with the appropriate opportunities to learn and practice the desired knowledge and skills. Content refers to the material that is taught and learned, such as facts, concepts, principles, and theories. It includes textbooks, articles, multimedia resources, and other instructional materials. The selection and organization of content should be driven by the educational objectives to ensure relevance and coherence. Content should support the learning experiences and help students achieve the objectives. Evaluation is the process of assessing whether and to what extent students have achieved the educational objectives. It involves the use of various assessment methods, such as quizzes, exams, projects, presentations, and observations. Evaluation provides feedback to both students and instructors about the effectiveness of the teaching and learning process. It also informs adjustments to objectives, learning experiences, and content as needed. Educational objectives guide the selection of content and the design of learning experiences. Both should be aligned with the objectives to ensure that students are learning what is intended. Evaluation provides critical feedback on the effectiveness of the content and learning experiences in helping students achieve the objectives. This feedback can lead to adjustments in teaching methods, materials, and even the objectives themselves. Coherence among objectives, content, learning experiences, and evaluation ensures a consistent educational experience. This coherence helps students understand the purpose of their learning activities and see how different elements fit together. The interrelationship among these components supports continuous improvement in education. By regularly evaluating and reflecting on the effectiveness of the objectives, content, and learning experiences, educators can make informed decisions to enhance student learning outcomes. Consider a course on environmental science with the following components. Educational objective. Students will be able to explain the impact of human activities on climate change. Content. Scientific articles on climate change, case studies on human activities affecting the environment, datasets on carbon emissions. Learning experiences. Classroom discussions, laboratory experiments analyzing carbon emission data, group projects developing sustainability plans. Evaluation. Quizzes on key concepts, lab reports, group project presentations, and a final exam. In this example, the educational objective informs the selection of content like articles, case studies, datasets, and the design of learning experiences like discussions, experiments, projects. Evaluation methods like quizzes, reports, presentations, exams are used to assess whether students have met the objective and provide feedback for improvement. Thus, we have studied the relationship between educational objectives, learning experiences, content, and evaluation is integral to effective teaching and learning processes. Please subscribe the channel and share the link of this video to your friends. Thank you.